So my name's Isabelle, I'm an apprentice archaeological technician and I work on site mainly. What I love about fieldwork is just working outside. It's a very dynamic working environment. You know, in the mornings, like when you go out in the winter, it's like really nice and misty and foggy. The best thing about the apprenticeship has been all the opportunities that we've been given, gaining insight into what everyone does, and pretty much anything that we would like to know about, we can, which is really nice. This job has taught me that I really enjoy working outside, and also that history is something that really motivates me and I really get excited about it. The advice I would give to someone thinking about an apprenticeship is to just go for it. It's definitely been one of the best decisions I've made in terms of my career and my development, and the opportunities you're given are honestly amazing.